From Manila, we have about a 5-hour layover and then going to
Bacolod.
Namigidya. Let's go. Mamutag mga besh mga bayan. Karon nami diri sa Manila. Nami karon sa Bangkok, Thailand, aka Bangkok. So mura siya Manila, parehas gurang itsura diri pero dili loud ba? Oh.
They even have a rooster.
Hey-o.
They even have a rooster on the street, just like the Philippines. Oh, now it's loud.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
So we are currently heading to a night market. Pretty much the only thing we've done while we've been here in Bangkok is food trip. We're gonna go for a nice stroll right now.
Chicken.
And we'll see you over there. Buddy! Swadee Kap.
This is our suki. We've actually only been twice, but
No.
3 times? Yeah, 3 times. But they have so cheap food. They even have a cat. Yeah, it's really good. Really spicy. The lady, she knows that I didn't want to eat meat, so I was like, Chinese broccoli, like yesterday. And she's like, same, no spicy. I'm like, Look, they even have tricycles. Yeah, so this is our hood. And they have some really good street food at the end. I mean, I don't know that it's really good because we haven't had any yet, but there's always people here.
At this one.
At this one.
So, do lang kaayo among apartment sa Usaka Mall. So, super convenient dire. Naikahoy. Oo. Diha lang ang mall. So, walking distance, convenient kayo.
Yes. Every morning we go and we eat pretzels and croissant. So before the market, we've gone to Rip Curl, Carsten's favorite store here in Thailand, because he's shopping. It's a miracle.
Doesn't mean I'm buying.
1 hour later, look what he has.
Nailad ko ni Ma'am Joey. Ingon niya, dapat mi musulot sa mall para maabot sa night market. Pero wala yung exit sa mall. So tungo niya, ako'y gipalit na mahal. Dili ni mahal, 50% off ang tanan. Pero pill day yapon kay nako'y gipalit.
I bought it. No, joke.
Nasa utang na ko.
I had utang.
She has so much utang.
He reduced my utang if I bought that, so okay. We have made it to the night market. Yeah, this used to be the spot for a famous market, but it closed down during COVID times and they have remade it with a new market. I think it's a bit cute.
Sige, so tanawa diri sa akong likod. Cannabis. Bot pa sa bot. Marijuana ni siya. Pero diri sa Thailand, legal. Bagora. So you can get medical cannabis or just recreational.
That's a bougie one. Usually they're just on the side of the road, giant weed plant. Not that we're into that. So one thing I really love about Thailand is how many night markets there are. They're everywhere. We've been to 5 in Bangkok. Yeah, we go to them most nights for dinner because they're really cheap and really delicious. And they sell cute clothes as well. Cheddar cheese? Just cheddar's fine, but not too much. Not just a small.
Ako gipalit ako gipalit ang isa ka papaya salad. So pinakalami sa tanan diri sa Thailand. Mura ko addict sa ani na kaon ba. Every day gyud I buy this. So please, if you know how to make it in the Philippines, let's make this a thing. Basically, it's papaya, chilies, tomatoes, string beans, vinegar. I think that's all it is. So dang good. Anyways, alang kayo diri sa Thailand. Pero amot kung giingon ni Zowie ganiha, pero diri sa Thailand, grabe gyud ang language barrier. Unya na lang kay music, mag-copyright. All packed up, ready to go to the Pilipinas.
Bye, Thailand.
For the airport, kay grabe ka kusok.
Look at this new outfit.
Heyo! This is what Zowie convinced me to buy. Sus, kamahal. Let's go to the airport. Yeah. So heavy, huh?
Little bit.
So we got through security just by sheer luck. I forgot to book a ticket out of the Philippines, so they almost didn't let me in. So I quickly booked the ticket out to Bali, but Don't know if I'm going there.
But yeah, make sure you don't forget to book a ticket out.
We are going to the gate right now. About to head to the Philippines. We are riding with Cebu Pacific. It's about a 4-hour trip. Then we arrive in Manila. From Manila, we have about a 5-hour layover and then going to
Bacolod!
I'm super excited because that's the first place that I went to when I went to the Philippines as a missionary. I have not spoken Ilonggo in a hot minute, so we're gonna test my Ilonggo skills. Hilagay nun. But let's go.
Stop.
Diri sa Pilipinas, magpayong sila bisan walay ulan. Kami magpabulad, magpainit.
We are here in Bacolod. It's so loud. We'll do it later.
Welcome to our humble abode in Bacolod.
Sige, so sa wakas, nag-aabot na kami diri sa Pilipinas. Ayos. Sige, so nag-check na kami diri sa Bacolod kay tungod. Siyempre, mapil kami sa
Masskara
Masskara Festival. Karon na semana, mag-ilang na lang ko, pero sa sunod mga video. So stay tuned, we're gonna have a heck of a time diri sa Bacolod. Nosebleed siya. Hindi siya kapag mag-ilonggo, pero
Hilonggo gali.
alright, so gusto na mo mag-shoutout sa among sponsor sa aning na flight, Cebu Pacific.
Thank you for getting us here safely. This is your captain speaking.
No, but really, thank you, Cebu Pacific. It is very good to be home. It's been nice to travel, but nothing beats coming back to the Philippines. So thanks for getting us here.
Yes, and especially Bacolod, because Bacolod has a special place in my heart. First place I was ever in the Philippines, but that's for another time.
Storyahe.
So we're going to be traveling around the Philippines for the next little while. So stay tuned for those adventures and Cebu Pacific if you want to get us from island to island, you know.
Yes, and make sure to subscribe to Ma'am Joey's YouTube channel because she has a special vlog coming out
I do have a really special vlog that I'm so excited
in the next
to,
couple of days.
yeah, share with you guys.
Zowie Pallier. Yo. Sige, pero diri mo man ang vlog kay dagan na among buhaton karon. We need to prepare for this week. It's gonna be hectic. It's gonna be epic. So, salamat sa pagtan-aw.
Og halong sa talong.
Halong.